Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to make the ideal lamp. Let's look at the components that we'll need for this project. A medium piece of wire, a coin cell, a yellow LED, the ideal lamp print, some copper tape and some double-sided tape. Firstly, take some crayons or sketch pen and color the line drawing. After done coloring, cut out the plug with a utility knife or a scissor. We have extracted the plug cutout. Now take the LED and spread the terminals. Now identify the negative terminal of the LED, which is the short leg, and twist the wire on it. As you can see, this is the negative terminal of the LED and I have attached a wire to it. You can bend the terminal to secure the wire like this. After this, take a scissor or a compass and make a very tiny small hole on the bottom of the bulb. It should be large enough for the wire to pass through. After you have made the hole, flip the paper and pass the wire from the back. Also, this is where we are going to stick the LED on the paper. I'm taking a tiny piece of copper tape and sticking it on the positive terminal of the LED. Tape it to the paper so the LED stays in place. Now we're going to flip the page again. Now make a small hook at the end of the wire and we're going to stick the negative side of the battery with some double-sided tape. Here I have taken a very small piece of double-sided tape and we're going to stick it at the end of the wire. Take the negative side of the coin cell and stick the double-sided tape on the battery like this. Make sure you press it hard so the connection is secure. Now take a utility knife or a scissor and make a small cut here on the socket. It should be big enough for the copper tape to pass through. Take a small piece of copper tape, stick the copper tape here. Now make sure to pass the end of the copper tape through the hole that we made. Be a little careful or you can take help of an adult. We now have perfectly placed the tape. Now flip the page again and now we're going to connect these two copper tapes together. So now the circuit is completed. Let's fold the paper in half. Now peel off the double-sided tape and stick the plug cutout that we cut earlier. Our idea lamp is ready. Now let's check the output. To check the output, bring the plug closer to the socket. So, when the plug is touching the socket, the light turns on. Thanks for watching.